How to use AutoSum for non-contiguous values in Microsoft Excel 2003. If you need to add a number of values in Microsoft Excel 2003, but they are not necessarily in order, you can still use AutoSum, but it just requires one extra step. Here's an example. Here's my sales for the days of the week. As you can see, my sales got better and better as each day went on, and by Sunday I was really cranking out the deals. But using AutoSum, the basic way to add all these values up, if you wanted if the contiguous values, is you would select the cell you'd like the sum to be in, and you would select the AutoSum button and click it. And AutoSum guesses what you'd like to total. In this case, we would like to total the contiguous values, and we'll hit Enter, and it adds up the total. But what would happen if you would like to add up, let's just say, my weekend sales totals? That would be rows 7 and 8, or cells B7 and B8. In that case, I would just select the destination cell, in this case B10, select the AutoSum, and then use the mouse to select just those two keys, hit the Enter key, and I get the total of just those 2 days. What if we wanted to add a number of days that were not in a row? For example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday sales totals. Once again, we select the destination cell. In this case, it's B10. And then we'll click the AutoSum button. And then what we'll do is use the Control key, that's the key that has CTRL on it, to select a number of non-contiguous cells. So we'll first select Monday, and you can see here that the sum is prepared to give a final value of the sum of total B2, which is not what we want, but it's the first cell we want. I'm holding down the Control key, and then I'll click next Wednesday, or cell B4. Now you can see the sum will be B2 plus B4. And I'm holding down the Control key, and I will select Friday, and we've got B2, B4, and B6. That's what I wanted, so I'll hit the Enter key, and I've got my total for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can confirm that by clicking the cell that has the sum, and you'll notice up in the bar here that it shows we have the sum of B2, B4, and B6. So we have used AutoSum to add up non-contiguous values. So there you go. How to use AutoSum for non-contiguous values in Microsoft Excel 2003.